Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today's Wednesday. The time is 1 a.m. GMT, and we are looking at the chart of Tesla, a 30 minutes chart here. So we have ended this wave 2 right here. Now you can see multiple stacking labels. So that means this wave 2 is a pretty high degree Elliott wave cycle, right? So this is, in fact, let me double check. This wave 2 here is a super cycle degree. Okay, so this is super cycle. We ended super cycle with 2, which is a significant, if this is correct, then it's a significant low with 2 at $617, right? And then from here we have started the rally in Tesla, and the rally looks impulsive, and we're still calling for another leg up to finish a 5 ways up, and this 1 2 3 4 in the red is going to complete 1 in blue. When it finishes the 5 in red, it will complete 1 in blue, and then from there we should be getting another 3-ways pullback, right? Another 3-ways pullback like this 1 2 3 to finish this 2 in blue. And then so this is going to be ABC, for example, like this, right? And then it should be then extending higher again as long as we don't break below $617. So this is the key low for the view of further upside, right? So now it is possible that the 1 is also completed. I mean, it's not totally impossible. We can just adjust a little bit the count to call it completed. So let's say I could just place 3 here, right? I could just move back everything like this and then call it completed, right? So it's not really a big deal. That could happen, right? Now this is also possible. So does it become bearish or anything? No. So what does that mean? Well, that means we might be getting a bigger pullback, right? If this is the case, then we might be getting a bigger pullback, since then we will be already in the wave 2 if that's the case, right? So this is the alternate here. So that means we are already in the wave 2 in blue. So that could, for example, this could be your wave 1 and this could be your wave 2, for example, right? Just to give you some ideas of the possibilities here. And we can get 3 4 5, even though this one also doesn't look like an impulse, to be honest. But yeah, just for the sake of illustration, this could be 3 4 5 ending A, right? Or this could be ABC as well, ending a W, right? Bottom line is there are a couple of ways it can play out. It could be like this as well, but the bottom line is as long as it stays above 617, any pullback should continue to find support in the sequence of 3 7 11 swing and then extends to the upside. So zooming out a little bit, let me give you an idea where we are going to the daily time frame, since this is a larger degree swing here. So let's see on the daily. This is your wave 2 here, right? Now if this is a wave 2, then where is the wave 1, right? The wave 1 is possible that wave 1 is here. So this is the all-time high in Tesla. So you notice the all-time high was back in 2021 November at $1,240. So we've since corrected about 50% from the all-time high 1620, sorry, 1240, all the way down to 620, right? Now you notice here there is this big swing in the middle, so that will be your connector from the peak. So this, for example, you can say this is 1 2 3 4 5 waves. So if you want, you see this C here, so that means it's an ABC, right? If this is a C, where's the B? The B has to be here. And if this is the B, where's the A? The A has to be here. So then you got a 5 waves down right here. You can call it diagonal, right? And then you got another 5 ways down that has just ended not too long ago. Now if you measure the extension here, you can see that the extension, oops, so you can see the extension almost hit the 100%, but it sort of missed it by just a few dollars, right? A few dollars, only like a $12 missing the perfect 100%, and already starting to turn higher, unfortunately, right? But anyway, that tells you that this is a 3 swing. It is not a bearish market. If it is bearish, it will be 1 2 3 4 5, right, with the 1.618 extension with 3. This is a 3 waves. Now, does it mean that, okay, Tesla ready to go to the moon? Not necessarily, right? I mean, we can, for example, get trapped in a sideways range for years. It's a big range after all, between 1,200 620. But what we can see is that I think we already make some sort of quite significant low, seems like, and also breaking above this trend line as well, if you want to draw a trend line in both price and the RSI. So the cycle is finished, so now we should be looking for a little bit of a rally now, right? If not going to new high, then at least a little bit more rally. So if the rally is a 5 waves, then I think at minimum we should be getting some sort of ABC rally, right? The minimum expectation should be ABC rally, if not even more than that. But so that's why I think as long as we stay above the 617 in any pullback, then we should be able to extend to new high. So for now, the main view is calling for one more leg to finish with 5, and then to finish this with 1, and then get a bigger pullback before higher again. Alternate 1 in blue already finished, so a 5 ways up can be finished already, and now doing a bigger pullback before higher. Both options suggest the same. As long as we stay above this low from the May 25th, we should continue to extend to the upside. Alright, so that's the update for today, and as always, if you want to get more updates on Tesla or other stocks, ETF, indices, cryptos, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have a 14 days trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.